Okay, Lynn, do you understand these words? Wave, ride, and clap. You know these words? Lynn? Okay, Lynn, can you hear teacher? Can you hear me? Wait, wait, Lynn.
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, next word, Lynn. Wait for a while. So here, Lynn, how about these three more words? What are these words? Please read.
Count.
Count. Next. What's next?
Round.
Throw and
Jump.
jump. Very good. We have count, throw, and jump. All right, so Lynn, I have here this another activity. I want you to look at the pictures, Lynn, and ask the question. Lynn, where are the children? Okay, Lynn, where are the children? The children are, where are they?
There is class.
They are in the class or they are in the classroom. Correct. Now here, next, Lynn, how many children are there in the classroom?
There's 7 children.
Correct. There are 7 children. And how many boys are there?
There are 4 boys.
There are 4 boys. And how many girls are there?
There are 3 girls.
Correct. Very good, Lynn. Next here. Lynn, where is the teacher in? Where is the teacher in this picture? Is it in picture 1 or it's in picture 2?
Picture 1.
Very good. The teacher is in picture 1. Now here, Lynn, in each picture, can you see the names of these students? What picture? It's in
Anna,
picture.
Lucy,
No, wait. The question is which picture? Picture 1 or picture 2? Let's.
picture 2.
Okay, it's in picture 2 that you can see the names. Here, how many names can you see?
There are 7 left.
All right, very good, Lynn. There are 7 names. Okay, here, Lynn, I have here questions for you, and you are going to answer my questions. Are you ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so here, Lynn, here is my first question for you. For 1, Lynn, who is eating the picture? Who's eating, Lynn? In the picture, it's who is eating?
So,
It's again?
then you sleep again.
Okay, Lynn, who is eating the picture?
Yes.
Eating. It's
They eating this banana.
okay, who is that? What's the name of that student? What is the name? Who is eating banana?
Sam.
Sam. Very good. Number 2, Lynn. Who is sleeping in the picture?
Ben.
Ben, very good again. Number three, who's jumping in the picture? Look at the picture, who's jumping?
Anna.
It's Anna, correct. Next, fourth, Lynn, who is painting in the picture? Painting.
Lucy.
Ay, correct. It's Lucy, sorry. Number five, who's drawing? There are two students that are drawing. Who are they?
Tom and Nick.
Tom and Nick. Correct. Number six question, Lynn. Who is throwing a ball? Throwing a ball. Who is throwing a ball? It's
Alex.
very good. All right. Now here, Lynn. Here. How about it? Ben, Sam, Dodan, Ready. All right, Lynn. So we have here starters tip in pictures in reading and writing part 5. Often show the same people doing different things or in different places. These differences are often the focus of some of the questions for the second and third picture. Notice what different people in the pictures are doing. Okay, will help you with the reading and writing part 2. Okay, Lynn. Here, Lynn, you are going to answer number 2 to 8. Okay, right? Is it picture 1 or picture 2? Example number 1. The teacher is reading a story. So in the picture, reading a story, what picture is that? Picture number 1. The teacher is reading a story. What picture can you see the teacher is reading? Picture number, look at Lynn. Number 1. It's picture number, what's the answer number 1? Picture number?
Question 1.
Okay, so Lynn, you're going to answer number 2 to 8. Write picture 1 or picture 2. Okay? Write your answer now. Go.
Something next.
Okay, Lynn, please read Lynn number 2 to 8 together with your answer. Number 2, go. Please read. Boy,
Number a boy is eating a banana. Literature.
3,
One girl is studying literature.
4,
The children are sitting down. Picture 1. One girl is painting. Picture 2.
painting. Next.
The children are listening to the teacher. Picture 1.
7,
A boy is sleeping on his desk. Picture 2.
8,
Two boys are running crying on the wall. Picture
okay,
2.
let's check now your answer. Number 1, the boy is eating a banana. That is picture number 2. Correct. Number 3, one girl is jumping. That is picture 2. Very good again. 4, the children are sitting down. Picture 1 is correct. 5, one girl is painting. That is picture 2. Very good. 6, the children are listening to the teacher. Very good. Picture 1. 7, a boy is sleeping on his desk. Picture 2. And number 8, two boys are drawing on the board. Very good. Wow, Lynn, very good. It's perfectly answered. Congratulations, Lynn. Did great. Very good. Now here, Lynn, I want you to answer the question. Okay? All right, your answer, Lynn, on the given spaces. Then you're right. The children are sitting, are. Let me, Lynn, can you enter again to the Zoom class, Lynn? Lynn, enter again. Okay, enter again.